is not good for your health. If you oversleep, what happens? You become lazy and you become inactive. So light sleep or adequate sleep, all these qualities you can learn from a dog. Next one is alpahari. A student must be a alpahari. Alpahari means it's not that one who takes less food. It's the one who takes healthy food. Healthy food, not eating junk food. That is one part. And whatever inputs you are giving to the brain must also be limited. Whatever inputs you are giving to the brain means we give so many inputs. Morning, from the time we wake up till we sleep at night, we give many inputs through our senses. Those inputs also must be very, very limited. We should not allow any bad thoughts to get fixed in our brains. We must only allow the positive